Hi, I'm Chris from needlepointers.com. Today I'm sharing a quilt I made as a baby gift. This quilt was made with our free strip quilt pattern using Arctic animals and moon and star fabrics for the feature prints. Annette made this quilt pattern several years ago using bright colors and a princess feature fabric. This is a quick quilt project to make. The quilt top can be cut out and pieced in about 3 hours. Layering and quilting the top will take longer, but we have some suggestions for quick quilt designs. For this quilt, I sewed groups of 3 lines with a variegated yellow thread. The lines were separated by a 1/2 inch each, and then I separated the groups of lines by 2.5 inches, and then sewed another group of 3 lines. The quilt back is made of super soft, minky plush fabric. I recently released a tutorial showing how to back your quilt with this plush fabric and get perfectly mitered corners. If you want to make a strip quilt or back your quilt with plush fabric, click the link in the description to go to our website for the free pattern. There is also a YouTube tutorial for making the strip quilt. If you prefer an ad-free printable PDF pattern, click on our link to visit our Etsy shop. I hope you enjoyed seeing this quilt I made and make one for yourself. Like and share our videos, and if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss future videos. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of tutorials and free projects. While you are there, sign up for our free weekly newsletter so you won't miss new tutorials. Happy quilting!